Previously 360 app was here. Now I even can't find the 360 app in the app drawer. I think the module is faulty, that's why it's not showing. See, these are the all applications installed in this setup. When I put the reverse, it's showing no signal. All my cameras are working. I tested with another system. The fault is with the 360 module. Can you rectify this? Can you send me a 360 module? Or do you need any other proof? Just tell me. No 360 app.